the open road, the wind in your hair, the feeling of ultimate freedom. That's what car commercials promise, right? But what if I told you that shiny new car could be the very thing that holds you back financially? The truth is, car ownership in 2025 is fraught with hidden costs, turning what should be a symbol of independence into a potential financial trap. We're going to dive deep into the often overlooked expenses of owning a vehicle. From depreciation and maintenance to insurance and financing, we'll uncover the true cost of car ownership and equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Buckle up, because things are about to get real. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of buying a car, but beneath the allure of that new car smell lies a complex web of expenses that can quickly unravel your budget if you're not careful. Are you ready to take control of your finances and avoid falling into the car ownership trap? Let's get started. When you walk into a dealership, your eyes are immediately drawn to the sticker price. It's a big, bold number that seems to scream, "This is how much it costs." But here's the catch. The sticker price is just the tip of the iceberg. It's like seeing the price of a movie ticket and thinking that's all you'll spend at the theater. You're forgetting about the popcorn, the drinks, and maybe even a souvenir or two. Owning a car comes with a whole slew of additional expenses that can quickly add up. These hidden costs can be deceptive because they're not always immediately obvious. They creep up on you slowly, like a financial fog rolling in, until you're suddenly hit with a massive repair bill or an insurance premium hike. We're talking about things like depreciation, maintenance, insurance, financing, fuel, and even parking. Each of these factors plays a significant role in the overall cost of car ownership. And if you're not careful, they can easily derail your financial goals. So how can you navigate this maze of hidden costs and come out on top? The key is to be informed. By understanding the true cost of car ownership, you can make smarter decisions that align with your budget and your financial goals. Depreciation is the silent killer of your car's value. It's like that friend who always eats the last slice of pizza. You know it's happening, but you don't want to believe it. The moment you drive your brand new car off the lot, it starts losing value. And we're not talking about a few $100s here. In the first year alone, a new car can lose up to 20% of its value. That means if you buy a $30,000 car, it could be worth only $24,000 a year later. Over the first 5 years, the average car loses about 60% of its value. That's a significant chunk of change that simply vanishes into thin air. But why does depreciation happen? There are a few reasons. First, new car models are constantly being released, making older models less desirable. Second, as soon as a car is driven, it becomes used, even if it's only been a few kilometers. The good news is that depreciation slows down after the first few years. However, it's still an important factor to consider when buying a car, especially if you plan on selling it or trading it in down the road. In the next section, we'll delve into another hidden cost that can catch you off guard: maintenance. Get ready to learn how to keep your car running smoothly without breaking the bank. Remember that new car smell? It fades. But what doesn't fade are the regular maintenance costs that come with keeping a car on the road. From oil changes and tire rotations to brake pads and engine repairs, the costs can quickly add up, especially as your car ages. Think of it like this: your car is like your body. It needs regular checkups and maintenance to stay healthy and perform at its best. Ignoring those needs can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Just like skipping the dentist might save you money in the short term, neglecting your car's maintenance can result in costly repairs later on. The key to minimizing maintenance costs is to be proactive. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and don't ignore those dashboard warning lights. Regular oil changes, for example, might seem like a small expense, but they can significantly extend the life of your engine. Another way to save money is to shop around for the best deals on parts and labor. Don't be afraid to get quotes from different mechanics before committing to a repair. You might be surprised at the price difference. In the next section, we'll tackle another major expense associated with car ownership: insurance. Get ready to learn how to protect yourself without overpaying. Car insurance is like that friend who's always there for you, but you hope you never have to call. It's a necessary evil, protecting you financially in case of an accident, but it can also be a significant expense, especially for young drivers or those with a less than perfect driving record. The cost of your insurance premium is determined by a variety of factors, including your age, driving history, location, and the type of car you drive. The good news is that there are ways to lower your insurance costs without sacrificing coverage. One of the best ways to save money on car insurance is to shop around and compare quotes from different providers. Insurance companies use different algorithms to calculate premiums, so you might find a better deal with one company over another, even if your personal information is identical. Another way to reduce your premium is to increase your deductible. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. By choosing a higher deductible, you'll lower your monthly premium. However, make sure you have enough savings to cover your deductible in case of an accident. Up next, we'll explore the often confusing world of car financing and how to avoid common pitfalls. Unless you're paying for your car in cash, which is awesome if you can, chances are you'll need to finance it. Car loans can be a convenient way to get behind the wheel of your dream car, but they can also be a slippery slope into debt if you're not careful. One of the biggest mistakes people make when financing a car is focusing solely on the monthly payment. Dealerships love to advertise low monthly payments to lure you in, but these low payments often come with long loan terms and high interest rates, which mean you'll end up paying more for the car in the long run. Another common mistake is rolling negative equity into a new loan. Negative equity, also known as being underwater on your loan, occurs when you owe more on your car loan than the car is worth. This can happen if you take out a long loan term, or if your car depreciates faster than you pay down the loan. To avoid these financing follies, it's crucial to do your research and understand the terms of your loan before you sign on the dotted line. Get pre-approved for a loan from your bank or credit union before you step foot in a dealership. This will give you leverage when negotiating with the dealer and help you secure a better interest rate. In the final section, we'll discuss how to break free from the cycle of car dependency and explore alternative transportation options. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from the hidden costs of car ownership to the pitfalls of financing. But the ultimate question is, how can you break free from the financial burden of car ownership and achieve true financial freedom? The answer might surprise you. It's not about swearing off cars altogether, but about being more mindful of your transportation choices and exploring alternative options that align with your financial goals. Consider this. Do you need to own a car, or can you get by with a combination of public transportation, ride-sharing services, and biking or walking? In many cases, ditching the car altogether or opting for a more affordable used vehicle can free up a significant amount of money in your budget. Ultimately, the choice is yours. By understanding the true cost of car ownership and exploring alternative transportation options, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, true freedom comes not from the open road but from the financial security to pursue your dreams without being weighed down by unnecessary expenses. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to take action. Evaluate your transportation needs, explore your options, and make the choice that's right for you and your wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.